In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manually change your monitor resolution on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up GIMP and select the Edit tab up at the top left. And then you want to go down and select Preferences. On the left side, you want to select where it says Display. And then over here on the right side, if you scroll down, underneath monitor resolution, you can select enter manually, enter that in, and then select OK to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.